Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to transfer files from Mega over to Google Drive. If you've been trying to move your big files, or you just want to back things up in a safer place, this full 2026 method will walk you through it step by step. Yeah, super easy. So first things first, go ahead and sign into your Mega account with your email and password. Give it a second to load because Mega usually takes a moment if your storage is almost full. Once you're in, find the files or folders you want to move. You can click them one by one or, hold the shift key to select multiple items. Now, what you want to do is download those files to your computer. Click the three-dot menu and choose Download Standard. If the file is huge, yeah, it might take a while. Just let it finish. While the download is running, open a new tab and head over to Google Drive. Make sure you're logged into the right Google account because people mix that up all the time. After your files finish downloading, drag them straight into Google Drive. Or if you prefer, click the new button and choose File Upload or Folder Upload. Google Drive will start uploading right away, and you'll see the little progress window in the corner. When the upload is done, double check that everything is there. Open a couple of files just to make sure nothing got corrupted on the way. Happens rarely, but still. Oh, and quick heads up, if you don't want to download anything manually, there are cloud-to-cloud tools like MultCloud or Cloudsphere. They basically move stuff automatically, but the free version has limits. Just something to keep in mind, and that's pretty much all you need to transfer files from Mega to Google Drive. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more quick guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.